Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today or tonight, and welcome back from the holidays. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But I'm back today with my first unboxing for the year. Okay guys, I've been waiting on this one like forever. I think I ordered it back in October, and these are from Homfun. And I've had other diamond paints I've gotten, and I'm still expecting 2 more, I believe. And I haven't done unboxing, so I mean, I don't want to overwhelm you with all of my unboxings. So I have gotten other diamond paintings, but I haven't, showed them. I don't figure I probably want to see all of them. But this one is from Homfun. Homfun, I don't know how you say it, but I got 2 in here. And I just came today. I was leaving. I had to go out, and I saw my mail person. She's somebody new, but I did see the vehicle I was leaving. I didn't nothing like that. So I was leaving, and I got up to the street from my house, and I saw her at at another mailbox, up the street. So I said, you know what, my dogs are out. They're not gonna let her deliver that. So I got back. I turned back around and came into the house, and yeah, sure enough, she was sitting in my yard. My crazy dogs was barking at her. I think they more bark than bite. They're not gonna bite because they goofy. So yeah, I come back and I went ahead and got it, and I was expecting it. So I got these from Homfun, and it come 2. And the first I'm going to show you is of this one. I think. Yeah, I just show you a picture. So these are the drills. And as you can see, it's a double-sided tape because it's opaque paper on there. I'm gonna find the good gravy that's out here. I'm in my crush and I got my heat on, and it's a little bit toasty out here. It's not really cold outside today, or at night. But I keep my heat on out here, so I don't want my stuff out here get messed up. But so yeah, let me show you this. So that is the picture. Let me see. Yeah. Turn it right way so you can see that. I got a new camera, guys, but I can't get it to work. I did a test video, and it said recorder, but then when I put my memory card in my computer, there's nothing there. And so I tried recording with my with the memory card. I don't know record because the memory card is, so it should have saved it somewhere in there, but I can't find it, so I gotta figure it out. It's a new camera. So because I got a new camera because I asked for it from my husband, because I will be redoing a room in the house that used to be his man cave that I made for him. He used it. He was appreciative of it and everything last year for Christmas. He used it a few times, but he's not the lounging type. He wants to lounge in bed or on the couch. So he don't want. I mean, he liked the room and everything and stuff, but he just didn't use it. So we discussed it after it kind of filled back up with it was become a catch-all room. So we discussed it. So when I clean it up again, and we'll use it for guests. Like, we have guests like that. We don't have guests like that. The grandkids come and stay, but they don't stay in that room. So I'm claiming it back as my second craft room. That's gonna be where I'm gonna be doing my sewing, my diamond painting, and maybe my crocheting. But yeah, so I asked for another camera so I can do videos out here, record videos out here and then there, and I won't have to keep moving my one camera back and forth. So that's what that is. So, oh my god, oh guys, oh god. Okay, now I look at these symbols. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, they don't look too bad. It's just a lot of confetti. I guess it looks bad because it's a lot of confetti. But I'm doing my custom knot that I got from Every Moment, and I might do some of that on in a drill with me, or WRP with me, or something like that before I finish it and about done with it. And the drill fit on that thing is ridiculous. I mean, when I first showed it, and you know, if y'all go back and see that video, watch that video if you ever seen it, if you remember seeing it, the custom I did of Anubis. The symbols are clear and they're good, but they are ridiculous. Those symbols for that thing is, oh my god, it's just, it makes your eyes cross and head hurt, and I'm already a chronic headache migraine sufferer, so it, oh my god, oh my god. So this is the same way. So I'm not so on this one, the symbols aren't ridiculous like on the other one. It's just a lot of confetti on this. See, it's just a lot of confetti. So this is a 40 by 60, and I'm going to peel this back so I can get this to lie flat. And I probably most likely will be changing the paper on this because I like to see it while I'm working on it. So, what is that? I don't know if you can see that. And so it's good and clear, it looks like. The one thing I don't like about these diamond paintings like these is that I wish they showed the actual color of the painting. So you can see that it's not the true color of the painting once it gets done. So meaning that the little space you put the drills aren't the same color as the drills. So yeah, I don't like that. See all that blue, like in that blue area where it's not actually blue. See, this is down here at her foot. You can see this with the tiger is right here. It's right here. You can't even tell it's a tiger because it's not colored like a tiger. It's blue. And actually that's supposed to be like a darker color. So I don't like that. But it is what it is. But yeah, so I started on it, and I posted a picture of one of my diamond painting groups, the room when I started it, before, you know, with the way it looked before I started it. And then I took another picture of my progress, but I haven't done anything in there since because I had to move some things around when I wanted to decorate, put my tree up for Christmas. So I have like a couch table, and I didn't have nowhere to put it. So I had to put it in that room for a minute. So now that that is moved back out, I took my tree down the other day, Sunday. No, one Sunday. No, Saturday. I took it down. I can bring that table out and I can get in there and clean it up again. But I have a swap to do first, so I'm not going to be able to get to it first. So anyway, get back to this unboxing. This comes with 42 colors, and like I said, the symbols are like numbers and letters pretty much, and there is like a couple of other signs or symbols rather, like the and symbol, the asterisk, and the pound symbol. Yeah, so they're all easy. But the other one that I'm working on, it's ridiculous. Those symbols are ridiculous. But I guess it looks ridiculous because of the confetti. It's like just confetti. So yeah. So I'm going to oh god, let me take my jacket off first because it's hot. Okay, let me turn my heat off. And I'm going to go through my drills, make sure they are here. So I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me do this, and we'll make sure we got everything. Okay, so I believe I got all of these. Yep, I'm missing none of these. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I told you, but these are square drills. I had some other paintings that I got, and they're rounds and they're big ones. And because I noticed that when I was ordering these things, I was always doing the square. I like square. I do both. I like either or, but of course I rather do square drills because they better. They do it full coverage, as you know, rounds don't. So these are squares, and the other ones are squares too. And there are some that I did, a couple that I ordered that are rounds. I said I'm gonna do these in rounds because I do all squares, and I might not be so quick to want to do them, but I love squares. I love squares. I'll do either or, rounds or squares, but squares just make a prettier picture. So yeah. So got all the drills here. I'm gonna. I thought I was gonna pick one that I want to do next after the one that I'm working on now, and I might have more than one going. Because when I'm doing anything, like with my coloring or crafting, I try not to have too many WIPs going because some's not going to get finished. So I'm the type of person, I have to finish. I hate stuff unfinished. So I will be most likely doing more than one, maybe possibly 3 diamond paintings at one time. And I will be finishing. Even if one is there, I'm gonna throw a snack in there once in a while when I get, get bored with, or need to take a break from my big one. I wouldn't say get bored, but I would say take a break from the big ones that I'm doing. When I'm working on the big ones, I will throw a snack in there, to throw some interest in there to keep me not getting burnt out on one painting. And normally these really don't take me that long. Like that custom one I did, it was way bigger than this, and it didn't take me that long. So yeah, and of course it was only 15 colors. Well, these are more colors, but anyway, yeah. I am going to be looking forward to doing some more videos, guys. I promise you I will get back to my coloring. But I'm having a diamond painting fetish right now. Let me get through my phase of diamond paintings. I had a total of 15 diamond paintings coming. No, 12, something like that. And I had 6 was an all-in-one package, and one of them was a gift for Christmas, and I got those from fan sales, and they're small. They were like the biggest one was like 30 by 40. They weren't really big, and the smallest one was like 30 by 30. Yeah, they weren't that big. So yeah, I ordered 6 from fan sales, and then I had other ones coming from AliExpress that were, you know, I don't think I've ever, the first one no, that was from Wish. So I don't think I've ever bought a diamond painting smaller than 30 by 40 from AliExpress. I mean, yeah, AliExpress. So I have enough diamond paintings to last me for a minute. And the thing is, though, I think my nail is coming off. I told myself to stop ordering diamond paintings. I have 2 more I'm expecting. One is a custom, and one is not. One's coming from, I don't have my phone here, so I can't pull it up. I think it's a custom from Mayan, I think. And the other one is, I can't remember, but I think I got 2 more coming. But at one point, I had like 12, 13 diamond paintings coming, and they're slowly but surely finally coming in now. After I ordered them back in September, and I got this one today, and Brian said, "You get a package every day. You get mail every day." No, I don't. I be checking the mail every day, but I don't get one every day. Yeah, no, I don't. I don't, guys. I want to start on one from DAC too, from Diamond Art Club, because I do have a few from them that I want to, you know, jump into, and I got another from Diamond Dots that I want to do. That one, I bought that one. I did muzzle. I forgot what it was, but y'all, something muzzle or muzzle something. But y'all saw that one. I did an unboxing on that one, I believe. But anyway, guys, I seriously, I'm gonna get back to my paint, to my coloring. I'm gonna throw some coloring in there. I'm gonna mostly be doing diamond painting because it's my thing right now. I'm gonna throw some craft. I'm gonna give it to my other channel to do some crafting too, because I'm gonna be doing swaps. I gotta work on one, and get it done, and by next week. So yeah, guys, y'all want to check me out? I got another channel. I'll link that below if y'all want to check it out. It's a craft channel. But yeah, I'm hot, guys, and I'm tired. I had the grandkids most of their Christmas holidays, and they just went home yesterday. They go back to school tomorrow, and I'm just tired. So, excuse me, I'm hot. So yeah, guys, thanks for joining me today, and I will be back soon with a drill with me, a drilling chat or something going on, and a coloring chat. So until then, guys, y'all enjoy your happy new year, or have a happy new year. Enjoy the new year. Hopefully it's not as crazy as it was last year. Of course, well, I ain't gonna discuss that. No, I'm not gonna get into that. Never mind. Never mind. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and y'all happy coloring. Bye.